have some serious consequences, but recognize the signs early enough and you can save yourself a lot of trouble.
Aging is inevitable. It happens to all of us. But for some, the effects of aging are visible faster than they even expected. So what can you do to prevent that from happening?
It's smart, it's stylish, and it's a Sony. Coming up next, a fitness tracking device that promises to go way beyond fitness.
In this highly competitive world, you need to train hard to be good and train harder to be the best. And if you're driven, then whether your goal is to drop weight, look a certain way, or to achieve a certain level of finesse and performance in your sport, it may see you burn off those extra after hours at the gym. But is your dropping weight on the scales leading you to get FAT? FAT stands for Female Athlete Triad, and it refers to the 3 health problems that are linked to each other which result from overtraining on poor nutrition: low energy availability, menstrual problems, and weak bones. And these health problems, especially when they occur at the same time, require prompt medical attention. Active girls and women who routinely burn more calories during exercise than they take in through their food will end up in an energy caloric deficit. This means that the calories they're taking in just don't match the calories that they need to sustain exercise. Sometimes, female athletes slip into this underfueled state. They simply don't realize how much energy they expend during workouts, and they don't eat enough to maintain a healthy weight. In other cases, athletes and physically active girls and women try to lose too much weight or lose it too quickly in order to look or perform better. They undereat by skipping meals, avoid all foods that contain fat, or eliminate lots of food without making healthy substitutions. If this energy deficit is too large, then your body is going to be left with too few calories to carry out its normal functions, like having a regular menstrual cycle every month or developing healthy bones. And once the triad sets in, it's going to affect every single aspect of your life. Eating too few calories and nutrients can quickly lead to dehydration and electrolyte imbalances and leave you feeling more tired, anxious, and irritable than usual. You will not get the benefit of improved performance from your workouts. In fact, your performance may even get worse. You'll tire more quickly, get sick more easily, and you'll recover less quickly. You may find it harder to concentrate, and you may even feel less motivated to do things you normally like to do. Athletes report that they feel as if they've been training harder, but their performances just don't improve. They may even be getting worse. Perhaps most alarming of all is the fact that low energy availability or energy deficiency disrupts the reproductive system in otherwise healthy girls and women. The result is irregular menstrual cycles. When periods are less frequent or missed altogether, the body makes less estrogen, and this is the hormone that is absolutely necessary for building strong bones. The situation is far more alarming for girls who are in their peak bone building years from 12 to 20 years old. We know that exercise builds bone, but not for these girls because they're losing their bone mass far faster than they're building any. And this sets the stage for stress fractures and osteoporosis, or weak bones that break easily later on in their lives. So watch out for irregular or absent periods, stress fractures, a preoccupation with weight or body size that interferes with normal eating habits, any noticeable or sudden weight loss, and excessive exercise habits. None of these are desirable and they will not help you succeed. Luckily, the key to avoiding FAT is simple. Eat enough calories to fuel your body during exercise and at rest. And if it has occurred, the cornerstone of treating it is learning how to maintain a healthy weight by eating enough calories to cover the amount of energy expended during exercise. Preventing the triad is imperative, and it begins with a healthy attitude towards food and exercise. All physically active girls and women can do the following to prevent the triad. Keep a track of your periods from month to month. Know generally how many calories you eat each day and eat every 3 or 4 hours. 3 meals a day and at least 2 snacks. Have a daily eating plan for when to eat the best fuel and recover from exercise. Carry snacks around during the day and eat before as well as right after practice. Treat these snacks as mini meals and choose foods that are nutritious, taste good and fit your lifestyle. Track the amount of exercise that you get done each day and then adjust your food intake to make sure that your calorie intake matches this calorie expenditure. There are many apps available these days that can help you calculate exactly how many calories you need to be able to perform well in a wide variety of sports. So stay healthy and stay fit.
Watches, monitors, speedometers, and activity trackers. There is a new wave in wearable technology that's gearing up to change the way we exercise and communicate. And the latest addition in wearable high-tech arena is Sony SmartBand SWR10.
The SmartBand SWR10 keeps track of everything that you do, your movements, your communications, and your entertainment, everywhere you go and round the clock. It comes in 2 parts. A sleek rubberized wristband and a swappable sensor unit called the core that resides within a recess in the band. The SmartBand charges through a micro USB socket and takes about 30 minutes to charge up fully, which is good for 5 days of tracking. It's rated IP58, which means it's both water and dust resistant, so you don't have to worry about it going on the blink in case you forget you're wearing it while taking a shower or in the outdoors. What's really thoughtful of Sony is that they have included 2 wristbands in the pack, suited for both slender as well as masculine wrist sizes. Another notable feature of the band, one that you cannot miss, is how light it feels. It's so light that you practically forget you're even wearing it. The core weighs just 6 grams on its own and 21 grams with the band. The band is available in various colors, so you can swap the core unit and fastening button between them depending on your wardrobe or your mood. The setup is quite easy. Simply install the SWR10 Smart Connect app and the LifeLog app on your Android smartphone. Fill in your basic info, weight, height, age, gender, and you're ready to start logging your life. It will record your walking steps, running, sleep hours, and keep a calorie count as well. Over and above that, it tracks other stuff too. These are marked as communication, camera, music, movie, TV, games, books, and browsing in the LifeLog app on your phone. Communication logs the time you've spent on social networks. Camera saves your photos and displays them on your phone. The tap feature on the band allows you to play, stop, or skip tracks with the tap, but is a bit confusing in the beginning. Double press the Life bookmark button on the core and it will record your position via GPS on your phone, whatever activity you have logged yourself in as doing or the current weather stats. For those who value privacy, this data trail may sound a bit intrusive and we still haven't figured out the usefulness of this data as of now. The smartphone has a vibrating silent alarm and an optional out-of-range alert that has the band vibrating, so you will never leave your phone behind. You can also get call and app alerts sent to your SmartBand, but without a display, you will be alternating between a vibrating bracelet and your phone.
In a market flooded with wearable fitness accessories, the Sony SmartBand does stand out. It is more than just a fitness tracker. But the question remains, what will you do with all that recorded data of your life? Besides tracking and discrete sleep monitoring abilities, there's hardly much there to justify its hefty price tag. So think carefully about what functional benefits you desire from the SmartBand before you opt for it.
Glowing soft skin and clear complexion is something most of us relate with youth. But there are foods which can help us maintain and preserve the beauty of our skin even as we are getting older.
The anti-aging diet is a supplementary diet that helps slow down the aging process and keeps your skin looking younger. So how does it do that? An anti-aging diet can help you to maintain a well-functioning digestive system. This is crucial to the anti-aging process. A sluggish gut cannot absorb nutrients effectively, resulting in undernourished muscles and bones and premature aging of the skin. It also helps to fight inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural response to fight free radicals in our body that cause allergies, skin infections, and other infections. It also helps the body to fight against oxidative stress and other harmful toxins. This also helps against hormonal imbalances. This imbalance is why we gain weight, sleep badly, feel stressed, and this causes the skin to wrinkle and look older. This diet helps to balance out the alkaline levels in our bodies. The way you look and feel from down within has a huge impact on your confidence levels, and therefore an anti-aging diet serves more purposes than one. To kickstart your battle with the wrinkles, sags, and bags, here are some foods you should include in your anti-aging dietary arsenal. Water. While this is not exactly a food, water is the biggest anti-aging potion you could ever have, essential for good health and also good looks. Drink lots of water to keep your skin hydrated and to flush out the toxins that make it look all dull and wrinkly. Oily fish. Fish such as sardines, tuna, mackerel, and salmon are rich in skin-loving antioxidants. They clean up the free radicals that cause wrinkles and prematurely aged skin. The high protein content of oily fish also helps keep the skin firm, with the added bonus of keeping you slim. Fruits. If you want to look younger, get your daily dose of fruit. Kiwi is rich in vitamin C that helps build collagen while also absorbing all those toxins responsible for aging. Avocados are full of vitamins A and E, super effective in fighting wrinkles again. Blue, black, and red berries are full of antioxidants called phytochemicals that protect the body against aging. Apricots contain lutein, an antioxidant that helps fight off the aging effects of the sun. Prunes and fruits also contain antioxidants that combat aging, so don't forget to include them as well. And if you want great skin, you need carbs. Oats contain high levels of a mineral called silicic acid that plumps up the cells in your skin, giving it a youthful bounce. It slows down the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, besides keeping you pumped up all morning. Multigrain bread, loaded with seeds, is full of selenium, which fights the aging process by preserving the elasticity in your skin. And have a handful of nuts every day. Almonds are packed full of omega-3 fats and proteins, which helps the skin repair itself. Besides being a great source of vitamin E, which also helps prevent wrinkles. Spinach, broccoli, kale, tomatoes, onions, and garlic are a great source of nutrients and antioxidants that help your skin ward off skin damage, both externally as well as from within. Lycopene, present in tomatoes, protects the skin against sun damage and reduces the risk of certain cancers and keeps the skin looking younger.
There is no secret elixir for everlasting youth. You can add years to your life simply by making smarter food choices. You can start now by adding these age-defying nutrients and see the results for yourself.